Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Natas, a war game from OverTheWire designed to sharpen and improve cybersecurity skills, particularly web security skills. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Now, let's jump in and start hacking away through Natas. The level I'm going to do will be level 16. And in this level, I believe I will showcase another use case of Python to enumerate information and also how to use Python to conduct command injection. So there will be a lot to take. Without further ado, we can copy this address as starting point. We can head over to Kali Linux, paste in here, press enter, and we are required to provide username Natas 16, and we can copy its password from notebook. No problem, and sign in. Don't save. And I think this level is very similar to the level we have already done, right? For security reasons, we now filter even more on certain characters, find words containing, for example, like if we put A and search. So up to this point, we can guess something. First, there will be some command running at the background, such as grep, and we'll look for the word contains the character we submitted. Okay, and also you can notice here in the URL, in the address bar, I think request is submitted by the method of get. Okay, let's go back. Even we do not need to make such a guess because this level is providing us source code. We can right click in new tab, and we only focus on the middle section on this page. This is the PHP code, not very big. And as the previous level, not the exact or level 15, I cannot remember its exact level. And here the key variable is set to null or empty string, not null. Sorry about that. And then we'll check to see the request. The request contains all of the things submitted by user or by us through browser. And this is a built-in variable or specifically array. Here, this statement is to check to see whether this array, request array, has a key. The key name is needle. Okay? If has such a key, and then the value of this, as you know, the key value pair, right? If the value for this needle would be set to key variable. And now we'll go on. The code goes on. There is another if statement. If the key is not empty, and then we'll do the regular expression matching. So we'll check to see the key. This value has some characters or some special characters like, this one, the semicolon, vertical bar, and also the backslash. Here, this one is not a part of regular expression. Here it serves as the delimiter, in front of the regular expression and also after it. Okay, this one. So always would be a pair of such delimiters. Okay, and here the bracket or square brackets means this would be the possible character set. Okay. So if the key has any character such as semicolon or vertical bar, and then we'll print out this message. Let me show you. For example, if we put like the character like semicolon ls search, and you will get the error input contains an illegal character. Okay, so otherwise we'll run or execute the command by the function pass through. This one is similar to another PHP function system, although there will be a bit different. Okay, and here the grep command. So far, everything is the same as the level with what we have already done. However, the difference is the key is contained between double quotes. Of course, this one, escape, the backslash serve as escape, because outer there are double quotes out, right, or outside. So we need to use escape. Alternatively, we can use a single quote. I think you have already got my idea. And the I option is case insensitive as before, okay? And the dictionary, because here the key is put between double quotes, so we cannot utilize one thing of grep. Grep can search text or search and match text pattern in file or files. And in that level, we have already done is to utilize the feature of grep, which can support search text patterns within multiple files. Okay, maybe we can create files, hello to test, echo hello world. Okay, for example, we can use grep and hello, and let me autocomplete. So I think this command can search the text pattern. In this case, the text pattern is hello, and within two files at the same time. However, because as you can see, maybe we can copy this command and also paste over here. For simplicity, we can remove the backslash. I've already explained the purpose of the backslash, and here I just want to explain this grep command and options. Okay, so here we cannot, at the previous level, we can pass the file. Also, another point is the slash is not filtered. If the slash is filtered, I think also the technique I'm going to demonstrate will not work as well. So of course we are looking for password for the Natas 17. So I think we can, because here this one will not be interpreted by file, just some kind of the string or the text pattern, and this, of course, we cannot get anything, because for certain this dictionary will not contain this string. Okay, so how to do? And we can do some kind of command injection, because the dollar is not filtered, as you can see over here, dollar. And the dollar, maybe let me show you. We can run, dollar, for example, like a dollar, who am I? Oh, maybe we need to use the echo, like the hello and who am I? Oh, sorry, here we need to use double quote. Otherwise, everything between single quote would be interpreted as a string. Okay, so here, very important, we need to use the double quotes. And as you can hear, the who am I command has been executed, and the output would be concatenated to the hello. Okay, so I think we can take advantage of this point for our purpose. So let me show you. So what I mean, for example, of course, next we need to select or choose something unique. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. We can copy and put over here. So, as you know, if we search this word, let me go back. Search word, and because the dictionary contains this word, so we will get the output. However, if you put any character after it, for example, like A, and this will not return anything because the dictionary doesn't contain this word. Or you can put like 1, so we cannot get any output. Okay, I hope you have really got my idea. And so what can we do next? We can utilize this point, grep and I. For example, we can copy this one, and we can follow by the command $ and parentheses. So we can put, for example, we can grep A and copy this path. So if A is contained within this file, so this command will give us something, right? Will give us something. Okay, and this something would be concatenate to this part, and then something like so the word would be like this one, and this should be put in front of this one. And because the dictionary, everything, the entire output of this, entire of output of this command would be the text pattern to search and match within this file. And this file, dictionary, doesn't contain this word, only contains this word, this part, or this section. So I think we can, again, utilize this point to find the valid characters in this file, okay? So, of course, if you do it manually, and this would be very, very time-consuming. You need to spend a lot of time to get the valid characters, okay? So I think I've already explained the logic or the algorithm of our code, which is going to be, written later, okay? Let me open up the PyCharm editor, and we can use any name like Natas 16. Basically, there will be 2 steps. The first step, we can retrieve valid, characters from collection. As we know, the password for this serial, for Natas series, consists of digit and lowercase and uppercase characters. So we want to narrow down this collection, and we can utilize the grep to find the valid characters. And so far, the the order doesn't matter. Next step or the second step, we can, the Grep can support the regular expression. I cannot pronounce it. Sorry about this notification. And then we can pass the not character would be the sequence of characters. Okay, and then we can get the exact password for the next level. Okay, so now I'm going to import request module. Import also, I'd like to import class requests authentication, HTTP basic authentication. Also, I'd like to import the string module. This is a built-in module, and this module can help us to generate the collections of characters. Okay, so first of all, we can initialize the instance for the class HTTP basic authentication. We need to give two arguments, Natas 16 and password. We can copy it from notebook, paste in here. Next, we can initialize the character char sets. Char set, so string digits. String, we can concatenate. This is the attribute of the string. And this one will return all digits from 0 all the way to 9. And string lowercase, string uppercase. So here, the char set, the type of char set variable is string. And this string contains all digit, all lowercase and uppercase characters and digits. Special characters are not included. So next, and also we can call it a valid chars. For now, we can set it to empty. And also Natas 17 password. For now, we can set it to empty. Okay. So next, we can also, I'd like to set another variable, base URL. We can get it from the browser and paste in here. Next, we can, construct or build the parameters. And parameter, because we know here the request takes the method of get to submit to the web application. Okay, we can copy it from notebook. From the address bar of the browser. Sorry about that. Params, and this should be the dictionary. And here we need to do some adjustment. So the key is needle, and this is the value and comma. Another key paired is submit search. Okay, and we can indent this. Maybe we can make the PyCharm happier. We can add one more space. Okay, save. Here we need to pass we need to use the formatted string, and we can copy from notebook. So here we can copy from here, paste in here, and in this case we can use curly brace. We can put the I think we need to have the for loop for char in char set. Okay, and we can indent this dictionary, and here should be char. Okay, so if, for example, if A exists in this file, and then the grep command will return, this part will return the A, and A will be put in its end. So the entire word would be parentheses as A, and of course, the entire word does not exist in the dictionary. So the outer grep command will not return anything. Okay, so next we can send request to the target. URL is base URL authentication and the basic and the parameters. So if we can copy, if not in response text, this means this char, or for this iteration, or the iteration variable exists in this file, and we can concatenate it valid char. Okay, so I think we can, after this loop is done, we can print. So valid char characters in the Natas 7 file. Okay, we can valid chars. So next we need to get the order of the such characters. So we need to make another for loop for char. We can use the same variable name in valid, but this time we will, because of course I think this valid char set is less than this one. Okay, so next we can simply copy, and here of course we need to do, because we want to get the order, so you use this to mean we want to match text pattern from the beginning of each line. Okay, so here, and then Natas 17. Okay, so let me, and here this should be Natas char. Okay, so I think this we have already coded. Let me make a double check. Char. If you want, you can introduce a delay between different requests, right? Let me import time module, and we can introduce, maybe here we can introduce a time slip like this one, and now we can print, we can use formatted string password for the next level found. Okay, and Natas 7 password. I think it's done. Now let's bring up the terminal window to run it. Natas. Also, I think we can print something. During long time, we can print Natas 7 password. Let's run it. I hope this code can get executed properly. Otherwise, we need to make a debugging or fix the issue. So we have 2 for loops here. The first for loop is to retrieve valid characters from the possible character set or the collections. And then we can use the regular expression to get the order of such characters. Or password for the next level found. Valid, the E. I think there is something wrong. Password for the next level found. Just 1 character. There is something wrong. Okay, I forgot. Here we need to use, because the password consists of 32 characters. Sorry about this. For I in range. This doesn't matter. We can fix it very quickly. Okay. So now here we can make another. Maybe it's not necessary. We can import or not time sleep. Okay. So now we can run. I think we have already retrieved the valid characters. Next, the next nested for loop will retrieve the exact password. Okay, let me run this program one more time. I think this level is another fantastic war game, which provides us a very good opportunity to sharpen our Python skills, right? So I hope you can follow along with my channel, and then I almost upload a video in the cybersecurity every day. Maybe I need to pause the video to save the time of this. All right, I'm back. As you can see over here, the first for loop retrieves the valid characters in the file. I mean, in this password file. And the next, we have nested for loops. And this outer for loop, it means that the inner for loop will run 32 times, okay? And here I think I've already explained the code very clearly. And we can successfully retrieve the password for the next level. Of course, I don't know why up to this point the program here or didn't print out this message. Maybe this issue is caused by the web application of Natas, because we have already got all of our passwords or characters for the password in order. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.